welcome back to my channel, Key Babies and Key Smarties. How are y'all doing out there? I'm so excited to talk to y'all today, okay? I'm not going to even express to y'all what time it is, but I'm determined. 2025 is pushing me to a whole nother direction. I might do a video or recap on what happened in 2024 to move past everything, because it's going to be new in 2025. It's a lot of things that I'm not going to do, a lot of things I'm not tolerating, because I don't have time to sit back and I know my worth. It took me over 35 years to figure that out, but hey, I'm here. So today it will be a Michael Kors review. If y'all are new to my channel, I am a clearance baby. I shop on a budget. I love wearing like shoes. I will spend money on shoes. It just depends. Like Jordans, for instance, you can't really. Sometimes they are on sale. With my boots that I wear, different color boots, I always try to get a deal on all my shoes, including Michael Kors, right? I haven't really shopped on Coach lately, and then Louis Vuitton and Gucci and all this stuff. Hey, that might be in 2025, might be coming up. That's like too much for me to be spending. I want to be cute, but I'm not about to be spending thousands of dollars. Like, I cannot, I don't see myself paying $1,000 for a purse. I don't see myself doing that. Half the time, I don't throw my purses around, but I know I take care of my purses. So, all my purses I get, I keep them in good condition. But I'm not going to spend that much money on a purse or $1,500 for a pair of shoes. I did see these red bottoms I wanted. I'm not worried about it. That'll be manifest in 2025, okay? So maybe I will get them shoes I want. But right now, we're talking about Michael Kors. This is a website that I go on normally to shop. I always look for clearance deals first, okay? Before I look for anything else. So here goes the website. Go ahead and take a look at it. And they got some good deals on the stuff that they got on there. Especially they shoes, they purses. I'm all with it, baby. And sometimes if you buy two things, they give you like $20 off. If you buy like two things, I think I got $20 off when I purchased my stuff, but we're gonna talk about in a second. This video is not it's not sponsored. This is a video that I'm doing because I want people to understand that you can still be cute and still be cheap at the same time. Alright, let's get into the video. So, these Michael Kors shoes right here, I end up getting these at Ross. I want to say at Ross before Thanksgiving. I haven't even worn them yet. I think the original price was, I want to say $50 or $70. I got them for like $30, I think. I think they were $70. I want to say $70. I done tore the thing off of there. But I got them at Ross. Real cute. I just got to find, well, the purse that I got right here that we're going to talk about, they kind of match. They do match it. But that's not why I got the purse. But they do match. Let's talk about the shoes. So, if you notice the shoes on there, cute, right? That's what I'm saying. Cute. $59. Original price was like $159 or whatever. They cute. I might actually get these and like pay $159 because these are really, really cute. $59. These are a size 9 because Michael Kors, if you did not know, Michael Kors shoes run small to me. Because I wear, in Jordans, I wear in youth, I wear a 6.5 or a 7 in kids. And women, I wear an 8.5 or a 9 in boots. And these are a 9 in Michael Kors, and these are not even boots. Because they run small, your feet will be at the very top of the shoe. And it's great quality for the shoes. It's like, this is leather. The Michael Kors leather. They even got like the little gold. I like that. Like the little gold plate on there. And it's in pink. That is so cute to me. It ain't already tied up. Let me tell you this. They already got their shoestrings in. I bought some. I don't even know what number Jordans they are, but they the black and gold ones. If y'all know, y'all know. I think they ones. They was not tied up. I was so mad. I had to tie them shoes up. They was all, I had to do both pairs. Do you know how much time that took? I did not. I said I'm not never giving me no Jordans ones again, unless they already tied up. So anybody watching this that like to give me, like my little brother, my son, like buying me shoes or anything like that, make sure they tied up. If you decide to do it. I do not like that. Like, I had to tie them shoes up. Okay, on to the next thing. And like I said, these are a size 9, and I got them for $59. And the pink purse that I was going to get with that, they didn't have it on the website. So I got this off Amazon. I'm an Amazon queen. If y'all did not know, y'all know now. That's why I was saying, like, this could go with these. Y'all see what I'm saying? Because it got the same type of pattern down there. It doesn't, to me, they do match the shoe. I do. But the pink is a little bit lighter. I mean, you got the light pink at the bottom of the shoe, of course. It'll go perfect with it. But I'm just saying how the pink is light. Amazon, I got this purse. Oh my God. I might have to pop it up on the screen and go back when I edit this video. Because I don't know how much I got this purse for. But it had to be a deal for me to get a purse off Amazon. Okay. And I had to make sure it was real. Because I'm like, I didn't even know Amazon carried like real stuff. They carry Nike out, Jordan on there. They carry everything. I ain't never bought none of my Jordans off of Amazon. But I'm just saying, Amazon got everything. That is amazing. Like, Amazon is a $1 billion company. So they better be connected with everybody. But yeah, this is real Michael Kors. Because I was worried, like, dang, how about if it's a fake Michael Kors purse? It's real, though. Because they do got stuff that's fake. It's the craziest thing. But they do. Okay, I'm going to sit that up there like that. And let's go into these. I said these. I know it didn't. Me and my sound effects, y'all, it's real bad. So I got this from Michael Kors. It is a crossbody purse. That's a crossbody purse too. This is kind of big. And I'm saying that because when I ordered it, I thought it was small. And I gotta have a strap. And it straps over. Like that. I'm just like in shock that this purse is big to me. I like little purses, I guess. Y'all know, like, this is real cute. Y'all, it is raining outside. Well, I guess I'd rather have rain than snow any day. I'm telling you. But I don't like to drive in the rain either. Okay, let's see how this looks on me. Oh, it's not that big. Okay. That's okay. I like it. It's not doing too much. I thought it was gonna be doing too much. Okay, I got this. While I'm standing up, I might as well show y'all the shoes I got with it. With these shoes. And it got like the silver gold plate down there. They already tied up. And I got this for $59. I believe the purse was like, I want to say $100, $119, I want to say, on sale. But I had to get it because it matched the shoes. So I was like, the blue, this right here really does it. But it's okay. This is the only thing that was close to it to match. Because y'all see how this is like silver and this is gold. Hey, baby, it's going to work itself out. Them are cute, though. So I wanted to go on here and show y'all what I got. Because like I said, I'm a clearance baby. It's going into the new year. And if y'all like Michael Kors, y'all like wearing name brand stuff, this is just a better way. Because a lot of people don't know about these websites. And Michael Kors got a whole nother website. They got different websites. Michael Kors Outlet. I think that's where I got this from, the outlet. They got Coach Outlet. And I go straight to the clearance. I don't go looking through nothing else. Only if I can't find, like I said, like with this purse, I don't think it was clearance. I had to go find something to match the shoes because the purse they did have was already sold out. And I think it was a purse that looked like this, to be honest. Like I say, when I go to Ross, and the thing about going to Ross, Burlington, any places like that, you have to search. It's like a treasure search. You have to go in there and try to find what you're looking for. Sometimes people have one shoe over here, the other shoe over there. I guess they're trying to save it for later to come back. I don't know. But you have to have patience when you go into stores like that to look for good deals. You know what I'm saying? So you will see more. You will see more to my channel coming. You will see a lot more reviews coming up soon. You will see you will see a challenge coming up soon. I have a challenge coming up. And different variety. I want to be a YouTuber that has different variety to her channel. You know what I'm saying? I want to show y'all who I am because a lot of y'all love me. I done got to over 3,100 subscribers. I'm kind of happy about that. Am I upset about my numbers? Of course I am, because I felt like when I first got into YouTube, I was in it, but then I got drained. That'll be a whole nother video. We're talking about Michael Kors today. See how I get off the subject going to something else? But I would give a recap about that. But that video could be hours, me sitting here just talking to y'all. Hours. No, I don't want to talk to y'all for hours about that. No, I don't know. I might discuss it because there's a lot of YouTubers that's coming up. They're new YouTubers that want to do YouTube, and if you're not in it to want to be in it, you're in it because somebody else got this and that. Don't do it. You got to be in it for yourself, like for real. I should have showed y'all the Jordans that I got with this anyway. But anyways, we'll talk about that on another video. I hope y'all like my review video. Yes, I did go into other stuff. Y'all know me and what I do when I do what I do. So, till next time, see y'all.